Definitely a beautiful day today. And if this is a setup to what the summer looks like, I'm all ready for it.
One Jae Says, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by, and if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Alright, guess what guys? I'm going to be talking to you guys about a very special place today. Yeah, it's a food review. You know how we do it. It's all about food reviews. Alright, so guys, today we're going to be eating at a place in St. Thomas called The Deck. Yeah man, a lot of persons have been hearing about The Deck. They've been around for a little while. But today we're going to be doing a food review on The Deck. And I know that you guys are gonna love this one. This one is, it promises to be epic. And I also have a special guest with me today on the channel. So yeah, look out for that guys. But we're gonna be showing you what we're working with. And guess what? As we always do it, we're gonna be giving them the grade from 1 to 5. You know what we do? If they're a 5-star, then you know we're gonna be doing the 5-star. So, let's go.
So guys, this is the menu right here. So you know you can look through the menu when you get here and choose what you would like. And trust me, everything that we see on this menu right here is top of the line. So you know you're getting some good stuff at this place. You have the option of desserts as well as so many things. Hey guys, I'm telling you, this is a place that you should definitely come check out. They do burgers, they do shakes, they do all kind of things guys, salads. Believe me, it's a wild menu. So you guys can definitely come check them out. So we made our order and the lady at the front told us that we can just walk around and look around. So guys, our lunch has been served and as you can see on the plate, it looks delicious guys. Yeah man. Look at my guest's plate. I don't tell you guys who the guest is yet, you know, but look at that plate. Man, that looks delicious.
Who that? As I said before guys, I'm going to be joined by a special guest. So guys, Tasha's Timely Thoughts is with us. Yeah, we're out in the street today and we're doing our food vlog. And I'm going to allow her to give her honest opinion in regards to the grading. Remember we grade from 1 to 5, so I know that she will give her honest opinion. This is the first time either of us are eating at this location, so you guys got to look out for that. Alright guys, so you can basically say that The Deck is located right in the center of Morant. Yeah man, it's close to the FSC Credit Union as well as the fire station. So once you reach in the fire station area, ask for The Deck, you will get that direction and they will allow you to get to this location. And trust me guys, I'm about to dive in and then I'll tell you exactly what I think about The Deck.
Thank you for listening. Thank you for your grace and mercy. Looking for your grace. Listen now, in Jesus' name.
So yeah guys, please excuse the windy background as well. Like windy out here today, I'm not lie. Even Triple T here all over the place.
Not bad, guys. Not bad. Not bad so far. Trust me. The text of the rice is dry. It's rice and peas, of course. I should have told you guys. It's rice and peas and fried chicken. Both of us are having rice and peas and fried chicken. But I can tell you, the vegetable that is given as a side is very fresh. Really, really fresh. And the rice and peas is dry. So, you know, sometimes you don't get that shelliness with the rice and peas. Sometimes you get that clump. You don't really want that. You want it to be nice and shelly. And I think they've done a very good job so far.
Shelly rice.
As you can already imagine, we really enjoyed this meal.
Alright guys, so it's time. So I'm gonna ask Triple T what she thinks about the food, her honest opinion, and then after she gives you her honest opinion, then I'm gonna grade. Alright guys, so you know how we do it. Best out of 5, so let's go. It's pretty good. So what do you like about it?
It's crispy. The chicken crispy. The vegetables fresh. Rice and peas, you have a little bit of spice, so rice and peas are supposed to have. And the gravy was good. The gravy could have been a little bit spicy. And the spicy food could have been good.
Alright, so how much you would give it out of 5?
I'll do a 4.
Alright. 4. There you have it. Triple T said that she would grade them a 4. My honest opinion, I endorse all of the things that she said as well. And I would give them 4 out of 5 stars. And that's a very good high mark for us. So guys, remember if you're in the area of Morant Bay and you really want somewhere nice to go and get some food, it's a sit down vibe where you can just grab your food and sit down. It's the deck right near to the fire station in Morant Bay. Come check them out guys. They're doing some good stuff, alright? So, honest opinion, 4 out of 5. And that's how we grade them. So remember to like, subscribe, comment, and remember to share. So tell everybody to you know, comment on this video. And if you've ever been to the deck, drop it down in the comment section as well. Let's know your review in regards to what you think about the deck. So drop it down in the comment section, and I'll catch you on the next one. Jae Says, and we are out of here.